Yo,
Hello, how you doing, mate? You all right? Yeah, fine, mate. Just thought we'll jump on and say hi to everyone because it's been a busy few weeks, hasn't it? Really?
yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Big,
Yeah, it's been
yeah,
good. Doing the NEC, saying hi to loads of people, everyone asking loads of questions. It's been quite exciting. Few weeks, quite busy. So we just thought we'd jump on here and say hi and thank you to you all who come and say hi and who
yeah.
all.
It was really nice to get so many visits from fellow photographers, um, and people I didn't expect to see as well, which is quite cool.
Yeah,
And there was another photographer. He's gonna kill me. Not gonna remember his name, but Fulton Studios.
oh yeah,
And so I done a wedding fair with him. I had a brief chat. So I wouldn't expect somebody like him to because to me, I started doing wedding fairs in Bristol over the bridge, and in my head, just like when I first started wedding photography, I guess, I always think, oh gosh, these photographers now thinking, who's this new guy coming over? They're not gonna like me. But no, it's not like that. Luckily,
no, it's not nowhere near like
no.
that. No.
Yeah, so it was nice for him to come and say hello and have a little chat and everything.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
thing is that even if someone's doing it, someone's looking. The good thing with what we're doing, it doesn't matter if you've been doing it for 6 months or a month or to 10 years. There's always room to learn, and even I do workshops and webinars and all that type of stuff. There's always stuff you can learn from other people. Like,
yeah, yeah, exactly. Every day, school day.
absolutely, mate. That's the way it goes. But yeah, we just thought we'd jump on and say hi to everyone. Um, Overwhelmed of how many people signed up, which is absolutely awesome. We've got a few. We've all come on and just explain a few things to you. So the offers is still on for the trade show. So if you are looking to sign up for the membership or things like that, the normal price is 195, and it is £100 for the life of your membership. So what that basically means if you pay £100 now, you'll be £100 for the next year, £100 for the following year until you cancel your membership. And then if you want to join back, it's the old price. So that's something that's still going on. I had to clarify that because I had a few emails about that. So I'll
Yeah,
sometimes easier to talk about it now than actually try to. So that's something which is that was still ongoing. When you renewal next year, it would be still £100. So I thought that's just fair. Like, just keep it
yeah. I
nice.
think that's a really good deal actually, because 195 when they could have, if they stay with us, then it's £100, and that's it.
And you just,
They don't leave and rejoin.
and it's not like it's a punishment for year 2 or year 3 type of thing. Like, it's just the same stuff.
Yeah, and I think a lot of subscriptions I get caught out on. Even stuff that's not related to photography.
Yeah,
Like the first month, like the gym memberships usually, the first 3 months
yeah.
half price, and then all of a sudden it's gonna.
He's like, oh, well, why is it so going up? Like, yeah,
Yeah,
for us, we just keep it like. So obviously, all the offers we discussed at the photography show is still live until the 1st of April. So we've still got 5-6 days left, give or take. Obviously, I know we sent a few emails out this morning to the people who subscribed and signed up, so they wanted more information. So they've gone out today, I think it was. So yeah, and we still got a few workshops. We've got the Bristol one coming up quite cool soon. I think that's next week
next week.
after. So
Yeah, is it on the
next,
3rd of April?
yeah, 3rd of April. I keep saying the 4th for some odd reason. I don't know why I think 4th. But
Yeah, don't pay the 4th. I've got a wedding. I haven't been
yeah, it's not
Bristol
bad. It's the
again.
3rd. Oh, is it? Yeah, that's all right then. Yeah, so that's on the 3rd. So that's 3rd of April. So yeah, we've got a few spaces left for that. I know a few people have emailed and messaged me privately and said they were going to sign up. But it just sounds like a sales pitch, and there is only a few spaces left available for that one. So if you are thinking of it, please jump on as soon as possible.
Yeah, we've been telling people at the NEC, because we don't want too many people on the course, because it just nobody gets a chance to get anything they want,
Yeah.
and like just to have a smaller group so everybody can hear everything and learn a bit
Smaller
more.
group, and just smaller group, and then but that's how we don't have like 30-40 people shooting all off shoulders. Each photographer will have time with the models, as I call it, just going around as a second shooter, but also I give the coverage and the confidence to mold the models and see how we do it for you to do it as well, if that makes sense. So yeah, there's always room for that. Like, we've done a few networks. Well, Ed spoke to quite a few people at the NEC, didn't we?
Yeah, it
It
was
was just
good.
quite positive. Some of the love feedback we got from a lot of buyers and stuff like that was kind of cool, and a lot of them want to help us as well as you guys out as well, which that's ongoing talks and seeing how we can grow forward with that type of thing. But that's something it's quite exciting as well. So,
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to see what they can offer us and you guys, because everybody's going to benefit basically. You get to try out new gear as well, hopefully.
yeah, new gear, like new triggers, whatever it is, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, if we're still ongoing with that. We've still got the Graphy Studio. Thank you for them for coming down. It was nice to see them, actually. I know they didn't have a stand there. Neil and Jeremy came down and spoke to us and all that stuff. Always a pleasure to see them, and always a fancy. Thank you for the support as always, because obviously in September we've got a Graphy Studio workshop in Italy in the castle, which is very exciting. A lot of photographers want to go there. We had a few people take a lot of information about that. Again, that is very limited spaces due to minibuses and transportation and all that type of stuff. So obviously, just to talk about that very briefly. So obviously, we got a limited space. All what you guys have to do is get to the airport, and then Graphy and that will sort all the pick you up from the airport, drop you off at the airport. All you have to do is pay for the hotel. So Graphy Studio use a hotel which is quite local to the castle, which is about 10, 15 minutes away. They've got exclusive deals for you guys, and you just pay them. I think they're going to sort out a booking link close to the time. The prices and the rooms available are all on the website now anyway. I've just updated that yesterday as well. They've sent me all that information.
Food
me?
included as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's bed and breakfast, and then lunchtime we'll supply the lunch and things like that, things like that. And also, I think they want to do towards the end of the course, I think on the second to last day, they're going to do like a massive meal actually at the castle itself, like a banquet type of thing, so you can come and have a nice meal actually at the castle itself, which I think is cool actually, if I was honest with you. So, you know what I mean? It's not every day you get an opportunity like that to do that.
I think I'm more looking forward to the food than food at the castle.
Yeah, no, yeah. Well, I know you, so you always want the food more than So yeah, but that's something. That's obviously September. Obviously, all the details are on the website for that one. So if you have any questions about that, just drop us a message. We do have obviously up and coming workshops coming soon as well, so keep an eye out for them. We've got a pose fire barbecue type of pose. Yeah, that's in August. We've still got a few workshops available. I think we got one in May, I think. But keep an eye on the website. We've got dates of all the workshops anyway, so just keep an eye on that. And if I was honest with you, sometimes we might throw one or two out there.
Or maybe, I'm just thinking, I know it's kind of related. I think it'll be handy to throw out a link to an Android and a iCal link with all the dates. So if you make a whole diary with all the courses on, and everybody can just click on it, it'll just upload onto the diary calendar then.
Yeah, there is that on the website already.
There we go then. I've been told.
Already 2 steps out of you, Ed. Yeah, mate. I've already got that. You know, if someone wants to go on there, I think it's course dates, and then you just kind of go on, click on that, and then it's all there then. So
yeah,
keep it.
There you go. Check the website, guys. Not like me.
No. Yeah, I don't know why you said that for, because I sent you the link as well, and you said, "Well, that's a good idea." Yeah, it's all right, mate. It's all right, mate. We've been busy anyway, haven't we? So a lot's been happening. So yeah, that's about. And we got our first weddings. Well, not our first weddings, but our full swinger weddings again this weekend.
Yes, that Friday. Looking forward to that.
Friday, Saturday, back to back, then a few days, and then back to another wedding, and then it's pretty much.
Yeah, because I've got a wedding fair Sunday as well, so I've got like two weddings with you, wedding fair, a day off, and then another wedding with you.
Yeah. It's going from it goes to 0 to 100 in a short period of time.
Oh, I know, I know. I was enjoying my time off.
I know. Yeah,
But
well,
yeah, it's nice to get back though. Back to
yeah, it is
routine,
nice.
isn't it?
Yeah, nice and yeah, just get everything ready for it now. Get all the workflows all ready. I've updated loads of that stuff, so it's a little bit more streamlined. But I do that every year anyway, just to touch it and retouch it and just make sure it's up to date and all that
Yeah.
type of like,
You're still using light blue then for your
Still
workflow.
using light blue, yeah, you still use that.
Yeah. Which
Yeah.
I think we're off. We got the code as well for the students as well for light blue.
So there's a referral code if you go to the online platform, there should be a referral code in there, if I
Yeah.
remember right. Might be a link as well. I don't know. I think it's a link. So if you go to if you scroll down to the bottom, there's discount codes. It should be all there. There's a few things there, even with small rig. There's a discount code there for small rig as well. So,
Oh, that's good.
yeah. So there's a few things in there. I think there's a referral code for Aftershoot as well. So if you're looking to software and things like that, that's also there, I think. And there's a few other things as well. Hopefully over the network as what we've done over the period of time, we'll probably add more to that over the time. Like, I mean, so yeah. So one thing we haven't discussed, I just want to whoever came to my talk on at the NEC, thank you for coming. Yeah, I mean that was an experience for me. First time I've ever done anything like that before. So it was an experience anyway. So I got through it. That's the main thing.
Yeah, no, it was good. It was a full house, people at the back with
Yeah, it was good.
looking
Oh,
for
obviously,
seats to
I
sit
couldn't really
down.
see much. Yeah, I couldn't really see much because obviously you was at the back anyway filming us. So obviously you had more because it was all. If no one was there, it's all black, and then obviously spotlights were me. So my eyes going out, I couldn't really see much people. But yeah, but I just want to say thank you for coming, and I really appreciate that. And if you did miss that talk, you might have seen some of the emails that will be uploaded on the free platform as well, also in your main membership as well. So you will see it, the full video of what I discussed and some of the questions people asked me on it as well. There was quite a lot of people asking at the show about branding and business and pricing. There's quite a lot of people asking us about that, which I thought was quite interesting actually. I think to be successful in these days, I think pricing's one business, but I also think your photos and everything else is as good. Like,
Yeah. I think maybe we'll have to do a podcast on pricing and branding next then, seeing that so many people interested in it.
yeah. Even the first few days, wasn't it? A lot of people asking us about how's the best way of business or best way to market, and then people asking us about price structures, and what I mean. Sometimes we're talking about the psychological price and things like that. So yeah, we can discuss that maybe next month or things like that. Like, I mean, as I said, we just thought we'd just jump on here quick, have a quick chat, and say thank you to everyone who turned up and everything what was happening. Really, if that makes sense. So yeah,
Yes. Yeah, it was really good. And let us know what about the lens cloth. You've had a couple of weeks to use it now.
yeah. Ed sales point. It's a big sale. It's a big lens cloth.
It's massive. You can use it as a blanket.
Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. In fairness, mate, that was a selling point, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I don't think anything else you want to just add before we call it.
I don't think there's anything else there. But
Not at the
no,
moment.
but if is there could people comment on it with you?
So it depends on the platform. They can obviously they
Yeah,
can leave
that's right.
comments on the depending on where they are, they can leave comments.
There we go. So
So
if you,
or probably the best way is just email us or communicate, or we got WhatsApp and all that jazz, like or
yeah,
email. But obviously, we always want to hear your thoughts and things, and anything you guys want to learn from us, or anything you want to see from us in the future. There's a couple of video tutorials I will personally want to do because a few people asked me. I know Ed just discussed like the price and the packaging, so we might do a little quick podcast with that. But I've got some videos that I want to show in the main for all the members. So if you're a paid member and things like that, keep an eye on that because we're going to update on a monthly basis new videos. So if there's anything particular you want to see me and Ed do, then we can cover that part. There's a location which I've always said to Ed I want to go. I'm not going to name where it is just yet because he knows where it is. So yeah, there's a place where I really want to go, and then probably film behind the scenes, and then do some off-camera flash and things like that. If that makes sense. So he knows what I'm talking about because I mean, ranting and raving about it. I want to go to this place. So hopefully soon we'll do that sometime this year. Don't know when, but we'll have to figure it out. But yeah, something which I also clarified, a lot of people have mentioned, is that if you come to one workshop now to different and you want different places, different, so our models are going to be different from each workshop. So we make sure that's always different for people. And something which I don't think I've even told you this. So on the workshop on the 25th of, sorry guys, I'm looking away from the screen. May, 24th of May is the portfolio builder. That's actually at a new location. So I've secured a new venue at De Courcy's near Cardiff. And that's 100%. So that's going to be on the 24th of May. So if you're looking to diverse your portfolio from the Bringarrow to the, so we're going to look at 2 different venues in South Wales, or 2 or 3, trying to do it different more. There's a few venues we're still talking.
Yeah, because there's nothing worse than having a portfolio and then like
All the same
venue
location.
all the time, or the same couples all the time. So at least now you guys be able to make it look more like a real wedding as well. Then it'll be good for the portfolio.
Yeah, and then we'll try to maybe get some makeup artists, so you can actually get some preparation, like real preparation shots, if that makes sense. Get a few makeup artists down or something like that. Do you know what I mean? Put the wow factor in there, type of thing. But yeah, that's on the 24th of May, that is, and that's going to be held at De Courcy's. Again, that information's on the Wedding Photography Portfolio Day. Scroll down, all the venues are there now and stuff like that. So yeah, cool. Well, all right, I think that's all the updates at the moment. Thank you very much. Anything else, Ed?
No, that's it. It's all good.
Yeah, sorry that Ed's screen goes a bit frozen. He's
Is it?
freezing occasionally. Yeah, on my screen it is. Yeah, so I don't know if
Right.
you, but yeah, yeah, see if we can fix it. All right. Well, thanks everyone, and hopefully see you at a workshop or contact us anytime. All right. Thank you all. Bye bye.